Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now this is another play, but not for tomorrow. This is going to be an early video on a possible play for next week, or even like Friday or Thursday. Now I'm watching Boeing, and it is setting up very nicely on the daily. So I have this very nice channel that I'm looking to break out. Now just in general, I'm looking at airlines. We have American Airlines breaking out, United Airlines about to break out, and just overall Jets ETF, which is the airlines ETF, is breaking out very nicely. So Boeing is looking very nice for possible play for tomorrow, but right now it closed bearish, as you guys can see, in this wick. Okay, so I'm looking tomorrow or the next day to test this support right over here. Okay, so this will be kind of like not the stop loss, but just a major support that I'll be watching, and then eventually a bounce off of this support so that we can play the resistance. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm looking to play the downtrend breakout. Okay, so right over here we have this very nice channel, and we have the support right over here, and then we tested it around 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this will be like our 5th try. Another thing that I want to watch is the RSI. So as you guys can see right now, it is at a major RSI level right over here. So for tomorrow, I'm pretty bearish. For Boeing, we need to test this support, hopefully fill this gap, and then the next day, hopefully play this breakout above 226. So I'm looking to go long above around 227 for Boeing. And again, once we break the resistance becomes the support. So I'm watching it to hold that resistance level and then eventually pop very nicely. Now Boeing is a pretty expensive option play, so it is not worth it for a small account. Okay, if your account is under $10,000, please do not play this play, because trust me, it is not worth it. You want to have a good reward, risk to reward ratio, and Boeing just not, it just doesn't offer that. And if you guys can see, actually the past breakouts again we had for Boeing, it is looking very nicely. And as I said again, American Airlines, UAL, Jets, let's look at Dow, all of them are also breaking out. But again, not a play for tomorrow, possibly next week. This is just a early heads up. You guys can do your own charts. And overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video, not a play for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I just saw this gap right over here. I just realized we have a gap right over here, so that is actually a very nice gap we have right over here. So we could actually play this right over here. So this looks very nice. Very nice play for tomorrow. Not for tomorrow, like next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be alerting it probably the next 2 days. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.